What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol SKLZ for Skillz Inc. On the left-hand side, we're looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. This, of course, will be more of an update since we covered it in recent videos here, and the obvious development from today is simply that we continue to hold 12 the round number, which is a floor of support, and there was a solid breakout into the afternoon, closing up here just below a prior area of resistance. So let's dive into this chart a little bit more from the 30-minute perspective and just see what's going on here. I would argue 1213 is not important to watch anymore. That was, of course, the high of day from prior for the gap fill. Regardless, going forward, I would say that the breakout kind of, if we were going to back test anything, it would be $12.40 there. You can clearly see that this was a well-defined range, and into the end of the day, we did poke up and over it. So on any back test, things that might look like that, you would want to see $12.40 start to act as support. If we are making forward and upward progress on this chart, it's not a good thing to be going back into ranges where we see consolidation and chop, right? I hope you can agree with that. So 1240 should hold. If we get a break up and over 1271, that would be the next bullish development here, because noting that it was prior resistance here, this was a very emotional breakdown. Obviously, you can see that from the 30-minute perspective. There's not a lot of candle structure there. I would argue the next major area of resistance is way up there at $13.77. So look for that to develop something like this. If we can consolidate in here, right, making forward progress above 1240, the break is over 1271. You monitor for continuation into 1377. And after that, what's the next major daily target that we can see? Well, I would argue it's this pivot high from in here closer to 16. Let's just put a level to it so we're not guessing and just throwing darts, if you will. That number's up here closer to 1557. So just shy of 16, right? And again, I'm not saying it happens all in one day, even all in 1 week, but that's simply the next target I'm seeing from a structural perspective. The one thing I would encourage you to keep an eye on, though, from the daily chart would be this blue line here, the 50 SMA simple moving average there. Again, that would tend to act as resistance when tested for the first time from the bottom side up, currently trading at $14.14. Now, if we trade back down underneath 12, that would be my line in the sand where I start to say, you know what, looks like things couldn't be or aren't developing as bullishly as we would like. Probably sit on your hands, wait for the next structural trade to develop, because clearly there's some room to go back down towards 1128, which is the top end of this prior area of consolidation and balance. At that point, I would expect, or start being on the lookout for any type of hammer candles, indecision dojis. That would be the number to watch down there at $11.28. So you have my thoughts here on Skillz. I do think that overall, again, this break out of this range is a bullish thing. We, of course, want to keep 1240, the key number on the chart to be monitoring going forward for more bullish development. So if you enjoyed the video, if you enjoyed the update, let me know down below in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked down below in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.